Hello guys, in this video, we are going to see how to print some data to the console and how to get some data from the console. So let's get started. First of all, as said in the previous video, printf function. This is termed as print formatted function. Scanf is termed scan formatted function. There are a lot of functions in printf and scanf family. For example, fprintf, fscanf, as printf, vsn printf, vscanf, etc. We'll look into each of them in the upcoming video, but as of now, we are going to restrict ourselves to printf and scanf. That too, just the basic details. So why is it called format? So let's say you want to write a program that takes length and breadth and print area as out. We need two input and each input is space separate. You see here, input and another input. Now we want to get the output as area, which is 6. So there are few things we need to know before we further proceed. For integer data type, there is something called as format specifiers, which is %d, unsigned int %u, character %c, float %f, double small l f, long double capital L f, long int %l l d, unsigned long int %LLU. It's very easy to remember this. Int %d, long int %LLD. For unsigned, you replace d with u. And similarly, here also. %S for string. There is something also called as a %I. We'll look at it in the upcoming videos. I just don't want to complicate things right now for you. So this entire thing here, 2 space 3 and output can be simply represented like there is some integer and a space followed by another integer. And similarly, the output is an integer, which is just a %d. /n is used as a new line character. Character slash is used as escape character. We'll look at it in the upcoming videos where we will be looking at the internal working of printf and scanf, the various tricks both functions have, and also escape sequences, etc. So we just got the basics. Now let's look at printf and scanf. Let's suppose I have a variable a of type int with value 5 assigned. As we all know, these all variables reside in memory. Let's suppose this is the memory layout, which is shown in a linear fashion. And let's suppose a is assigned an address of 2000. For simple representation, I am showing a as a block holding a value of 5. Okay. For printf and scanf, we generally pass arguments. So let's see what are arguments. Let's say we have some function named fun. What it does is, it simply takes some value and prints it. When we call this function from main, the value will be printed on the here. This is called as argument. We pass variable or function as an argument. So this function can process the data that it received and does some task. Similarly, printf and scanf also takes the argument. The first argument is called a format string. This contains the format specifier as well as some text. So let's take this typical example. This printer prints some value is my lucky number and I have some value amount of money. Here we encountered our first format specifier. So it takes the first value. What is the value of a? It is 5. So this will be replaced with 5. And next is my lucky number and we have encountered another format specifier, which is for int. So it will replace %d with 200 and continue printing. So this is how printf works. Now let's look at scanf. Similarly, scanf also takes a format string which has a %d, %f, etc. But unlike printf, in which we pass the value, here we pass the address of that variable. Why we are passing the address of the variable? Let's see where a is present. It is in the main function, right? And the task we are going to do is we need to scan it. For that we have scanf function. We want to scan some value and store it in this variable. But when we say a, we are implicitly saying its value, which is 5 in this case. But we have already seen that all these variables reside in memory. So instead of passing the value, if we pass the address, that is 2000, scanf will look at the memory location of 2000 and place in the memory the scanned value. So this is how scanf works. Thanks for watching.